wisdom and knowledge. He is none other than our Honorable Governor Sri Abdul Nazir sir. Welcome, sir. Now, I request our Joint Secretary to Governor Sri Surya Prakash Garu to address the gathering with his welcome note.
Respected Honorable Governor Sir, respected Secretary to Governor Sir, distinguished guests and dear friends, I extend warm welcome to AP Raj Bhavan to the State Formation Day program of Gujarat and Maharashtra. Gujarat is an interesting state in India with several notable features. It is known for its longest coastline in India, stretching more than 1600 kilometers. Several major cities of Indus Valley civilization like Lothal, Dholwera and Goladharo are located in Gujarat only. Gujarat is the only place in India where Asiatic lions are found. Gujarat is the largest salt producing state in India. It is the home to the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. The first Satyagraha ashram of Mahatma Gandhi was established in Gujarat only. Maharashtra is India's third largest state, boasts of a rich tapestry of unique features and culture. Lonar Lake in the state is a unique saline lake formed by a meteor impact approximately 52,000 years ago. It is making Maharashtra the only state in India with such a lake. Maharashtra played a pivotal role in shaping India's history, being the birthplace of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of the Maratha Empire. From the Western Ghats to the Konkan coast, Maharashtra's landscape is diverse, offering varied natural attractions. And also, Shani Shinganapur village is famous for its houses without doors, based on the belief that anyone stealing from their homes will face the wrath of the deity Lord Shani. The celebration of the state formation day of Gujarat and Maharashtra states is organized by Andhra Pradesh Raj Bhavan as part of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program to promote mutual understanding between states and union territories through the concept of one nation, one people. With these few words, I conclude my welcome note. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request all the dignitaries to have a video message by Sri Acharya Devvrat Garu, Honorable Governor of Gujarat State.
सभी बहनों और भाइयों को मेरा सादर नमस्ते। गुजरात राज्य के स्थापना दिवस के इस गौरवपूर्ण अवसर पर मैं समस्त देशवासियों को और विशेष रूप से भारत के विभिन्न राज्यों में बसे सभी गुजराती भाई बहनों को हृदय से शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। यह दिन हम सब के लिए गर्व, आत्ममंथन और नव संकल्प का दिन है। 1 मई 1960 को जब गुजरात का गठन हुआ, तब किसी ने नहीं सोचा था कि यह राज्य इतने कम समय में इतनी प्रगति करेगा। आज गुजरात केवल भारत का नहीं, बल्कि पूरी दुनिया के लिए एक प्रेरणादायक उदाहरण बन गया है। यह वह भूमि है जहां इतिहास, संस्कृति, अर्थव्यवस्था और नवाचार का अद्भुत संगम देखने को मिलता है। यह वह राज्य है जिसने भारत को महात्मा गांधी और सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जैसे महापुरुष दिए, जिनके नेतृत्व ने न केवल भारत को स्वतंत्रता दिलाई, बल्कि उसे एकता के सूत्र में भी बांधा। सरदार पटेल के महान योगदान के बिना आज का एकीकृत भारत संभव नहीं होता। प्रधानमंत्री के तौर पर गुजरात ने श्री मोरारजी देसाई और हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी जैसे दृढ़ निश्चयी नेता दिए, जिन्होंने गुजरात की सोच और संकल्प को विश्व पटल पर स्थापित किया है। गुजरात का इतिहास जितना गौरवशाली है, उसका वर्तमान उतना ही प्रेरणादायक है। आज गुजरात भारत का एक प्रमुख औद्योगिक राज्य है, पेट्रोकेमिकल, ऑटोमोबाइल, फार्मास्यूटिकल, टेक्सटाइल, सेरेमिक्स और सेमीकंडक्टर जैसे अनेक क्षेत्रों में गुजरात अग्रणी है। गुजरात के औद्योगिक गलियारे, विशेष आर्थिक क्षेत्र और निवेशक अनुकूल नीतियां आज वैश्विक निवेशकों को आकर्षित कर रही हैं। अहमदाबाद, बड़ोदरा, सूरत, राजकोट और भावनगर जैसे शहर आज स्मार्ट सिटी के रूप में विकसित हो रहे हैं। दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची प्रतिमा स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी, सरदार पटेल की स्मृति में बनी यह प्रतिमा न केवल हमारी तकनीकी दक्षता का प्रमाण है, बल्कि यह पूरे भारत की एकता का प्रतीक बन चुकी है। गुजरात की राजधानी गांधीनगर में स्थित गिफ्ट सिटी भारत को वैश्विक आर्थिक मानचित्र पर नई ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाने में सक्षम हो रही है। कच्छ का रण, गिर के जंगल और साबरमती का रिवर फ्रंट आज पर्यटन के वैश्विक मानचित्र पर अपनी उपस्थिति दर्ज करा चुके हैं। कृषि के क्षेत्र में भी गुजरात ने कई कीर्तिमान स्थापित किए। यहाँ के लगभग 10 लाख किसानों ने प्राकृतिक खेती को अपनाकर नवाचार का उत्कृष्ट उदाहरण प्रस्तुत किया है। आज जब हम दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में जाते हैं, वहां हमें कोई न कोई गुजराती अवश्य मिलता है। व्यापार, सेवा, विज्ञान, शिक्षा और प्रशासन, हर क्षेत्र में गुजरातियों की उपस्थिति और उपलब्धियां गर्व दिलाने वाली हैं। देश और दुनिया में बसे आप सभी गुजराती भाइयों और बहनों ने गुजरात की संस्कृति, भाषा और मूल्य को संजो कर रखा है। यही हमारी असली विरासत है। गुजरात की इस विकास यात्रा में आप सबका योगदान अमूल्य है। आज का दिन हम सबको यह संकल्प लेने के लिए प्रेरित करता है कि हम आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए एक समृद्ध, सुरक्षित और सशक्त गुजरात का निर्माण करें। आइए हम सब मिलकर एक ऐसे गुजरात की कल्पना करें जो तकनीकी रूप से उन्नत हो, सांस्कृतिक रूप से समृद्ध हो और सामाजिक रूप से समावेशी हो। एक ऐसा गुजरात जो पूरे भारत को नई दिशा देने वाला बन सके। अंत में मैं आप सभी को गुजरात स्थापना दिवस की पुनः हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। आप जहां भी हो, गुजरात का नाम रोशन करते रहें। उसकी मिट्टी, उसकी संस्कृति और उसके मूल्यों को गर्व से आगे बढ़ाते रहें। जय जय गरवी गुजरात, जय हिंद।
I request all the dignitaries to have a video message by Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan Garu, Honorable Governor of Maharashtra State.
I touch and salute the holy feet of Bharata Mata, the most powerful and the most merciful. On the auspicious occasion of Maharashtra State Foundation Day, I extend my heartiest greetings to all of you. This day marks a moment of pride and reflection for a state that has immensely contributed to the cultural, social and economic fabric of India. I am glad that under the Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat initiative of the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shriman Narendra Modi ji, all state Raj Bhavans are celebrating the Maharashtra State Foundation Day. 1st May is also the State Foundation Day of Gujarat, and I take this opportunity to convey my warmest wishes to the people of Gujarat as well. Maharashtra has been a land of saints who spread the timeless message of equality, compassion and social harmony. The teachings of and philosophies of these great saints have been deeply influenced the ethos of the state. This sacred land is also home to the legendary Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, whose vision and valor continued to inspire generations. The state has produced some of India's most revered leaders and social reformers, Mahatma Jyotibai Phule, Savitribai Phule, Rajrishi Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, Lokmanya Tilak, Veer Savarkar and Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, whose tireless efforts laid the foundations for a more just, equitable and free society. Today, Maharashtra stands as one of the India's leading industrial states and a preferred destination for global investments. It is a powerhouse of progress, innovation and enterprise. The state capital Mumbai is the driving force of the nation's economy and known as Mini India, reflecting the unity of the nation. Maharashtra is also widely recognized as a hub of quality education, attracting students from across India and even abroad, seeking excellence in academics, research and innovation. With a rich cultural heritage and a dynamic society, the state is well positioned to make a significant contribution towards the vision of Viksit Bharat, an inclusive and developed nation. I acknowledge the invaluable contribution of people from various states in shaping the success and development of Maharashtra and our great nation as a whole. I convey my best wishes to all of you and your team for successfully organizing Maharashtra State Foundation Day celebrations in your state. May this occasion inspire all of us to work together in unity for the progress of Mother Bharat. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, sir. Now I request please place the video presentation Gujarat State Anthem, Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat.
आज बापुनी पुण्य भूमि पर आज बापुनी पुण्य भूमि पर उग्यो स्वर्ण प्रभात जय गुजरात जय गुजरात जय जय गर्वी गुजरात
प्रकाश से झड़ कसुंबी प्रेम शौर्य अंकित तू भणव भणव निज संतति सोने प्रेम भक्ति नीरे ऊंची
पंजा नाक तो गावियो सिंह डाला मतो काल दाल दाटालो हालियो दे तो डुंगरा डणक गन हाथी आबरो गोरा दूड हालिया पथीर माथे लागिया के तारा के तारे ना बाणा गन बोहरी लटालो अति क्रोध वालो डाले न डालो हरतो हुंगा
मणे जसीना पंजा हदीना नीर वहे जा ठंडा ढोल न वागे हजूए डंका हाजरिया पे जा जगदंबा जय जय अम्बे जय जगदंबे जय जय अम्बे जय जगदंबे सुगंध जाने चंदन हड़के रण सफेद जाने कंचन नाके नाके मणे जा सज्जन हे गुजरात तने हो वंदन धन्य तेरा गुजरात हमारी धन्य तेरा गुजरात देश विदेश मजेनी चर्चा मडले मडले माना परचा जाडाला मत्ता पाचड़ दौड़ी थी 14 वरानी कन्या चारण कन्या 14 वरहनी चारण कन्या देवी सुरवीरतानी धरती जाता तारी जोवा मणती वसे क्या सोमनाथ महाराज खमातन कन्या धरा गुजरात खमातन कन्या धरा गुजरात खमातन कन्या धरा गुजरात खमातन कन्या धरा गुजरात
घटना दूध रमण ने
रत्ना कर सागर पर्वत ऊपर थी वीर पूर्वजों दे आशीष जय कर संपे सोहे सौजा जय जय गरवी गुजरात सरस रंग थशे सत्वरे मां शुभ शकुन दिसे मां ध्यान शोभ से बीती गई छेरा जन घूमे नर्मदा सा जय जय गरवी गुजरात जय गरवी गुजरात जय जय गरवी गुजरात दीपे अरुणों प्रभात जय जय
That was great video of Gujarat State Anthem. Thank you. Now I request please play a short video on the Maharashtra State.
Welcome to mesmerizing Maharashtra. One of India's most prized states, Maharashtra has a world of experiences to offer. Centuries-old heritage sites here resonate with sounds of history, culture and religion. These relics tell the story of artists and empires that shaped a land immemorial. The story of the old harmonizes with the wonders and camaraderie of modern urban Mumbai, the capital of the state. A city where real life inspires the stories told on the big canvas of Bollywood. Maharashtrian festivals are occasions of merriment, exuberance, worship, tradition and music. Travel across cities to see these festivals celebrated in myriad ways in different parts of the state. Traditional art forms abound here, from hand-woven paithanis to Warli paintings. You can take them home and also interact with the artists themselves. Maharashtrians are known for their love of food. Scrumptious dishes from the coast to the heartlands, from breakfast to fine desserts. Wari, a yearly procession, is a unique pan-India experience. Millions of pilgrims walk hundreds of kilometers, chanting and dancing in honor of Lord Vithoba. Agricultural life in this state is green and serene. Visitors can experience a slice of this life close to nature and the land that feeds and nurtures. Set within vast swathes of nature, are the forts of Maharashtra. These one-time bastions of power are now excellent hiking spots, especially attractive during the monsoons. Several of these historical monuments still stand firm, be it on land or at sea. A long coastline along the Arabian Sea means a great beach time and exciting water sports. Maharashtra is a gem in central India, a land where nature, heritage, culture, traditions and art come together to form a cocktail of unique and immersive experiences. Come, visit us for an experience that will stay with you and will call you back for one more visit. An encore for the state of Maharashtra and its people.
That was wonderful video on the Maharashtra state. Thank you for watching. Now I invite Dr. J.M. Bhagwat Maharashtra from the School of Planning to deliver his speech.
Namaste. Firstly, I thank respected Governor and the Raj Bhavan officials for this opportunity. It is a great honor for me to stand before you today at the esteemed Andhra Pradesh Raj Bhavan to celebrate Maharashtra Day, a day that marks not just the formation of the state of Maharashtra in 1960, but also celebrates the rich legacy, cultural heritage, and invaluable contribution of Maharashtra towards making of modern India. Let me start by saying Jai Jai Maharashtra Mazha, Garza Maharashtra Mazha, which means Hail my Maharashtra, my proud Maharashtra roars. Maharashtra is the state of saints. The saints like Sant Tukaram, Jnaneshwar, Namdev, Chokhamela, and all these saints have brought social awareness and the message of equality in the state of Maharashtra as well as in India. Maharashtra has played a pivotal role in India's freedom struggle. The soil of Maharashtra has given birth to various revolutionaries and reformers which were inspired by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Veer Savarkar, Chapekar Bandhu are symbols of and spirit of resistance against the foreign rulers. Maharashtra has a great legacy of social reformers. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Savitribai Phule, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj are some of them. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is an architect of the Indian Constitution who had also contributed in Maharashtra. Economically, Maharashtra is often called as the engine of India's growth. Mumbai is the financial capital of Maharashtra, the Reserve Bank, Bombay Stock Exchange, numerous corporate offices, industries, and also Maharashtra is a center of sugar cooperatives, IT parks, Bollywood, and biotechnology. The spirit of Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat is also important for Maharashtra as people from various states, including Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, and all the states of India have their share and contribution in making Maharashtra a great state. The relationship between Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh reflects its unity. Both states have given India visionary leaders, resilient farmers, enterprising youth, and rich cultural traditions. As we celebrate Maharashtra Day here, we also celebrate the bond of mutual respect and shared dreams between our states. Let me continue to walk together on the path of national development, cultural unity, and social justice. With these words, I would like to say Jai Maharashtra, Jai Andhra Pradesh, and Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. J.M. Bhagwat. Now, I cordially invite Sri Deepak Desai, President of Sri Vijayawada Gujarati Samaj, to share his thoughts.
Respected His Highness Governor Sir, State of Andhra Pradesh, dignitaries on the dais, and all the participants of this occasion. Namaste to all of you and wishing you a happy Gujarat and Maharashtra Formation Day. I, Deepak M. Desai, President of Sri Vijayawada Gujarati Samaj, take this opportunity to share among you all the festive occasion of our Gujarat State Formation Day. Way back on 1st May 1960, Gujarat State was declared as an independent state from the United Gujarat and Maharashtra. Since then, Gujarat has been one of the most prosperous and developed states in all factors. The world's topmost industries like Mukesh Ambani, Gautam Adani, Azim Premji are all from Gujarat and they are Gujaratis. All our great nation leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel are from Gujarat. And not to forget our Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Bhai Modi, and the Home Minister, Sri Amit Shah, also belong to Gujarat. Please give me an opportunity to share a moment regarding our Sri Vijayawada Gujarati Samaj. About 80 to 90 years ago, our Samaj was started with hardly 8 to 10 families. And slowly the families have grown up, and in 1957, Sri Vijayawada Gujarati Samaj was founded in one town area. As of now, we are about 400 to 500 families settled in various businesses and serving Andhra Pradesh even at the time of calamities. I would also like to put you all, sir, that we are also running a primary and high school in the name of LP City Gujarati Vidyalaya, where all sections of children are studying. As far as cultural programs and other activities are concerned, we celebrate Holi, Navratri, Diwali at our Samaj premises. During 9 days of Navratri, we together play Dandiya and Ras Garba and create the vibes of Gujarat here at Vijayawada. Please give us an opportunity, sir, to welcome you to our premises, especially during Navratri. On behalf of Sri Vijayawada Gujarati Samaj, I thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity. Jai Bharat, Jai Garvi Gujarat, Jai Andhra Pradesh.
Thank you, Deepak sir. Now I request Ms. N. Tanisha from Vijayawada Maratha Mandal to deliver her speech.
Respected Governor, esteemed dignitaries and all gathered here, a very good morning to everyone. It is with immense pride and deep emotion that I, Tanisha, stand before you today to commemorate on Maharashtra Divas, a day etched in the heart of every Maharashtra. On the 1st May 1960, after a sustained movement led by countless unsung heroes, Maharashtra emerged as a state carved out of the principle of unity, cultural pride, and democratic values. Today, we gather here at the esteemed Raj Bhavan not only to remember the landmark movement, but to celebrate the unmatched legacy of Maharashtra, a land of saints, soldiers, reformers, and visionaries. Maharashtra is not just a geographical entity. It is the vibrant blend of history, culture, courage, and vision. It holds a unique place in India's journey, having been a cradle of social reform movements, progressive thoughts, and courageous leadership. The roots of Maharashtra are deeply emerged in the legacy of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the legendary warrior king and founder of the Maratha Empire. He and his warriors did not fight for power. They fought for self-respect, for dharma, and for their people. He laid the foundation of Swarajya, self-rule, based on the principles of justice, administration, and people's welfare. His ideals continue to inspire not just Maharashtrians, but Indians across the country. The state has also been home to visionaries and reformers such as Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, who championed the cause of education and with his pioneering work against caste discrimination. Savitribai Phule, India's first female teacher and a pioneer of women's empowerment. Lokmanya Tilak, who proclaimed that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, igniting the flames of independence. We also honor Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, a son of Maharashtra and the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. His fight for dignity, equality, and fraternity remains one of the greatest legacies of our land. Let us also take this moment to remember the countless freedom fighters from Maharashtra: Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Senapati Bapat, among many others. In the field of culture and tradition, Maharashtra is rich and diverse. From the grace of Lavani dance to the soulful abhangs of Sant Tukaram, from the colorful Ganesh Utsav initiated by Lokmanya Tilak to the rhythmic beats of Dhol Tasha, the spirit of Maharashtra finds expression in every art form. The Warkari tradition and the Pandharpur Yatra are the shining examples of the spiritual depth and community strength. Maharashtra has made immense contributions to the development of our nation, be it in industry, literature, education, agriculture, cinema, or sports. Cities like Mumbai, Pune, and Nagpur are symbols of both tradition and modernity. But with pride comes responsibility. We promise not to rest on the achievements of our past. We commit ourselves to building a Maharashtra where every citizen, regardless of caste, gender, or economic status, has access to education, opportunity, and dignity. Today, as we celebrate Maharashtra Day, we not only honor the formation of our state, but also reaffirm our commitment to the values that define it: courage, resilience, progress, and unity. Lastly, I would like to conclude with the words of poet कुसुमाग्रज. हे महाराष्ट्र माझा, तुझ्यासाठी जीवन हे अर्पण जावे, तुझ्या मातीचे, तुझ्या भाषेचे अमृत पिऊन जगावे. गर्व आहे मला मी मराठी असल्याचा. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय आंध्र प्रदेश.
Thank you, Ms. Tanisha. Now I invite Mr. Naveen Patelji from Gujarat State to sing a patriotic song.
नमस्ते गवर्नर साहब. अब हम एक रचना, एक अच्छा संगीत जो गीत सुनने जा रहे हैं, वो हमारे जीवन में बहुत ज़रूरियात है. एक संत ने बताया है कि जियो और जीने दो, दूसरे के भले में हमारा भला. ऐसी सुंदर रचना हम अभी सुनने को जा रहे हैं. और हमारा जीवन में वो अगर हम उसको रियली समझें तो अभी जो हमारा देश के अंदर तनाव चल रहा है या दूसरे भी हो, वो कुछ भी नहीं होता. तो अभी हम ये संगीत सुनने जा रहे हैं कैरियो के द्वारा.
A sense of patriotism is rising in everyone. Thank you, sir. Now I invite Srimati Hansa Ben Patel and Srimati Beena Shah and team to perform Garba dance.
ए गरवी गुजरात निया धरती जा पाक्या रतन मोल आखी दुनिया में गुजरात मारू मोख रे ए ना केवा मारे बेबो अवकाशनी पहली यात्रा करनारी मारा मालकनी मारी गुजराती हाँ अखंड भारत ना घडवैया एवा सरदार पटेल पण मारा गुजराती हे अंबानी गुजराती अदानी गुजराती अंबानी गुजराती अदानी गुजराती गुजराती नी बोल बाला अमे लेरी लाला अमे लेरी लाला अमे लेरी लाला अमे लेरी लाला हे काची केरी ने अंगूर काला चौदह वर्षनी चारण कन्या हवस भोगाड़े मारी गुजराती हाँ मस्तक पड़े ने जना दड़ लड़े छे डाडा वछराज पण मारा गुजराती बातीजी गुजराती हाथीजी गुजराती बातीजी गुजराती हाथीजी गुजराती गुजराती नी बोल बाला अमे लेरी लाला अमे लेरी लाला अमे लेरी लाला अमे लेरी लाला काची केरी ने अंगूर काला दिवाली बेन भील ने हेमो भाई गढ़वी मारा पाटण नमणी राज गुजराती
Now, I cordially invite our Honorable Governor Sri Abdul Nazir sir to grace the occasion and address the gathering.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, my dear students, a very good morning to you all. At the outset, I extend my warm greetings and heartiest felicitations to you all on the occasion of the State Formation Day of Gujarat and Maharashtra, celebrated on May 1st every year, commemorating the formation of Gujarat and Maharashtra on 1st May 1960. Both Gujarat and Maharashtra are well known for their vibrant culture, delicious food, and rich cultural history. The people of Gujarat actively participated in the country's freedom movement and made significant contribution to India's freedom struggle. Father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Morarji Desai, K. Munshi, and our present Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, who is visiting Amaravati today, all hailed from Gujarat. Gujarat was also the site of the most popular independence movements, including the Satyagrahas in Kheda, Bardoli, Borsad, and Salt Satyagraha. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, used his skills to consolidate India, which lay in a fragmented and fluid state at the time of independence in 1947, by merging as many as 565 self-governing princely states. Sardar Patel is indeed an epitome of national unity and integrity. Gujarat is the home to several tourist attractions, such as the Sabarmati Ashram, established by Mahatma Gandhi ji, Rani Ki Vav Stepwell, the Somnath Temple, Gir National Park, Statue of Unity of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the world's tallest statue with a height of 182 meters, located near Kevadia, and the White Desert of Kutch. Dwarakadish Temple in Dwaraka, Swami Narayan Akshardham Temple in Gandhinagar, and other religious places that attract tourists from all over the world and showcases the cultural heritage and natural beauty of the state. Maharashtra, on the other hand, has given us many prominent freedom fighters and social reformers like Vinoba Bhave, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Jyoti Phule, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Nanaji Deshmukh. Baba Saheb Dr. Ambedkar served as the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee and as the first law minister of independent India. He was an economist and social reformer who championed the cause of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and minority rights movement in India. Post-independence, Mumbai has emerged as India's financial capital, an important business center. Mumbai is also Asia's wealthiest and most densely populated cities, as it is the nerve center of capital markets, financial services, and manufacturing. The city plays a crucial role in growth and development of Indian economy and the famous Bollywood. Maharashtra is famous for several historical and UNESCO World Heritage Sites like Ajanta and Ellora Caves, Devagiri Fort, Daulatabad Fort, Bibi Ka Maqbara, Jama Masjid, etc. Embodying the beauty of Western Ghats, Mahabaleshwar is one of the best holiday destinations in Maharashtra. The 5 Jyotirlingas of Maharashtra, Bhima Shankar, Triambakeshwar, Krishneshwar, Audha Naganath and Vaijanath, attract huge number of tourists, enthralling them with mesmerizing forests and waterfalls while visiting these holy shrines. After formation of separate states, both Gujarat and Maharashtra have prospered immensely and achieved tremendous progress while contributing to the country's economic development to a large extent. Maharashtra is India's second most industrialized state, contributing 20% of the national industrial output. Gujarat, on the other hand, also has a strong India's industrial base and ranks amongst fastest growing states in the country. And I am very happy to say that our Andhra is also catching up. Gujarat is well known for its delicious cuisines, like the famous dishes of dhokla, khandvi, thepla, undiyu, and fafda jalebi. And Maharashtra boasts of famous dishes of its own, like pav bhaji, of course, misal pav, vada pav, bhel puri. You get everywhere in every corner nowadays. Bharli vangi, etc. These dishes are not only popular in Gujarat and Maharashtra states alone, but also loved and relished by the people across India. As you all know, our country takes pride in its rich history, culture and heritage. The Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program aims to enhance interaction and promote mutual understanding between people of different states and union territories through the concept of oneness. By celebrating occasions like the Gujarat Day and Maharashtra Day, it is aimed to promote a sustained and structured cultural connect in areas of language, learning, culture, traditions and music, tourism and cuisine, sports and sharing of best practices, etc. India is a country of rich cultural history and heritage where people share a strong bond and stay united despite the cultural and linguistic differences. India is the birthplace of great legends who have preached the ideas of brotherhood, tolerance, non-violence to the world. India has one of the oldest cultures in the world, and we are known for our warm hospitality and demonstrate a potent bond of unity. We believe in non-violence, fraternity, universal tolerance, and continue to share the unbreakable bond of one nation, one people. I once again extend my heartiest greetings and felicitations to the people of Gujarat and Maharashtra on their state formation day. Thank you all. Jai Hind.